Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am really hoping that you are doing well and doing your home task with responsibility and being responsible while studying. I welcome you to your next eLesson. This is the sequel of your idioms lesson. I hope that you have watched the introduction and explanation part of idioms. And there were first 4 idioms discussed into the same lesson as well. Now let's proceed towards our next 4 idioms. The first idiom is the pen is mightier than the sword. The meaning of this idiom is if you are trying to convince someone of something, words and ideas are stronger than using physical force. So, the idiom is the pen is mightier than the sword. The example of this idiom is reason is the only way to win the people. Pen is mightier than the sword. Next idiom is keep your chin up, meaning to remain joyful in tough situation, or to have a positive attitude in difficult situation. Example of this idiom in a sentence is I know you have a lot of midterms to study for, but keep your chin up. It will all be over soon. The next idiom is on the same page, meaning when multiple people all agree on the same thing or agreement on same thing. Example of the idiom in a sentence is I don't think we are on the same page yet. The next idiom is off the hook, meaning no longer have to deal with tough situation, or to be free from obligation or trouble. The example of the idiom in a sentence is we found the guy who stole the money, so we know you didn't do it. You are off the hook. Or you are no longer have any type of obligation to another person in a given situation. Alright, students, so this was our last idiom of today. Alright, so now let's give a look at those idioms one more time. The pen is mightier than the sword means if you are trying to convince someone of something, words and ideas are stronger than using physical force. Sixth idiom is keep your chin up, means to remain joyful in a tough situation. Idiom 7 is on the same page, means when multiple people all agree on the same thing. And idiom 8 is off the hook, means no longer have to deal with the tough situation or no longer responsible for something. So your home task is that you have to write down the idiom along with its meaning, and then you have to make a sentence of your own using the same idiom. I hope you will be able to do it very easily. Alright students, this is the end of this e-lesson. I will meet with you into the next e-lessons with more idioms and even more interesting things as well. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.